Directed by Sachin Pathak,
A Simple Murder is an exhilarating roller coaster ride that compels you to fasten your seatbelts at all times. The duration of every episode is just 30 minutes long, but the makers of the series have ensured tons of surprises for the audience that keep you engaged till the end. A Simple Murder की कहानी शुरू होती है दिल्ली के डीडीए कॉलोनी में रहने वाले मनीष के साथ। मनीष उन लोगों में से है जो लाइफ में मेहनत तो बहुत करते हैं, लेकिन उनकी किस्मत उनकी सारी मेहनत पर पानी फेर देती है। फिर एक दिन अचानक मनीष की किस्मत उसे एक मौका देती है, कुछ ऐसा काम करने का जिसके बाद उसकी जिंदगी पूरी तरह बदल जाएगी। अब मनीष इस मौके का फायदा उठाकर किस तरह अपनी जिंदगी बदल पाएगा, ये है अ सिंपल मर्डर की कहानी। After I finished watching this series, I was genuinely amazed by the overall treatment of this story. A Simple Murder is a funnily complicated mess that has been engineered and handled with utmost care by its makers. There are numerous occasions when you will be left completely astounded because of some clever cinematic choices that help in garnishing the narrative with loads of goodness. First, let's talk about the genius approach of the writers when it comes to dealing with exposition in order to enhance the storytelling. A Simple Murder is a multi-protagonist show, which means that we have more than two protagonists who wish to achieve different goals. Hence, it becomes crucial to bind the audience with the journey of every character. And this is when exposition plays a pivotal role in corroborating an equal momentum of every character arc. Writer Prateek Payodhi has done a phenomenal job in terms of controlling the development of exposition in every episode. He has utilized flashback as a tool to both attack with exposition and reveal the right exposition at the right time. Now you also have a voiceover for narrating the series of events. Generally, a voiceover is used for directly attacking with exposition, but here you will notice that the voiceover is just introducing a particular character in a particular situation. There is no verbal reveal about how things will progress. You just have to wait and watch. भगवान सिर्फ रास्ता दिखाएंगे, बाकी निर्णय तो इंसान का ही है. And of course, how can we forget the classy, enchanting vocal aroma of Vijay Raj's voice? सच में यार, बहुत कमाल की आवाज़ है. Second is how we get to see loads of visual cues acting as really cool metaphors which are pretty self-explanatory. For example, the first scene in the first episode where you see a box that reads sweets for every occasion and it is filled with cash and a gun. जब संतोष थिएटर में प्रिया और उस्मान को पकड़ने के लिए आता है, तब वहाँ जो फिल्म चल रही है उसका नाम है सौदा. वही सौदा जो संतोष ने प्रिया के पिता के साथ किया है. जिस बस में प्रिया और उस्मान जयपुर जाते हैं, उस बस की कंपनी का नाम है फ्रीडम ट्रैवल्स. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, we have 4 different places with the names of the 4 elements of nature: Prithvi, Agni, Jal और Akash. And since the voiceover by Vijay Raj signifies the voice of God who is narrating this adventurous tale, all of this starts making sense. And lastly, we have the background score by Karsh Kale. His jazz music provides oodles of thematic cohesion for the narrative. What's interesting about his melodies is how they enrich the visuals in such a way that you will feel as if you are watching a stage play. And since this series involves a deep dive into the world of humans from the eyes of God, Karsh Kale's progressive beats uplift this artistic portrayal of the human world. My favorite piece from his composition is the one that is used for the climax. A Simple Murder is simply amazing. It is a very watchable series that has a perfect balance of everything. That is enough to leave you waiting for the second season. I know I am not mentioning anything about the opening credits. Well, that's because I am planning to do something on the best opening credits and titles that we have come across in recent times, and the opening credits of A Simple Murder are added to that list. Now it's time to share your thoughts about this series in the comments down below, and I will see you soon in the next video. My name is Porush. Thank you so much for watching the 70mm show. Long live cinema. You can support this channel by hitting the red subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates.